All right, last update for the day. They got all the tech shielding done, got the wrap on, got it all framed and roofed out. It's kind of dark in here. All right, so these windows will be blown out, gone, opened up right here with French doors. This will be wall, and then the AC will come in through the attic through here. And you can see the stadium seating, and the ceiling height's about, what, 15, 18 feet down there?
I would say 15.
Okay. I say 18. And here's the drop off. There'll be stairs right here, a little rail. There'll be bunk beds up this wall, and then a big theater screen right here, couch, and theater recliners, and Bethany. And that's a closet.